Cultivating a lifestyle, connecting nature and people. This legend is captured by the photographer. On journeys in Japan, we glimpse islands of relief and beauty. Okinawa, which consists of nearly 700 islands, lies far to the south of Tokyo. Its climate is subtropical oceanic, with warm weather all year round.